Hey, it's John-Marc. That's right, I'm the one creating all these little fun little step-by-step and drawing videos. Well, I have some exciting news to share with you, but before I say that, I want to say thank you to each and every one of you who have been watching my YouTube channels, and I appreciate that very much. All right, now to the exciting news. Every Saturday at 9 o'clock, I'm going to be coming out with a new video showcasing myself and my artwork, from graphic designs, from photography to airbrushing, traditional art, everything, and as well as my cartoon illustration. So you get to know who I am and how I became an artist, and learn some techniques and tips that's not on all the other videos, but on the Saturday morning classes at 9 o'clock. So make sure you schedule your time and check them out. And thanks again for checking out this video as well as all the other ones.